Alright, let's make a function that outputs a factorial of any number. So let's understand what factorial is. 5 exclamation mark. 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we want to do this but as a loop for any number. Define fact of x. So we can put any number into this x, and then we want f to be the factorial of x. Range 1 to x plus 1. If I is equal to 1, then let's keep track of an old f value. Say f old is equal to 1, and then f is equal to 1 as well. If f is greater than 1, we want to say that f old is equal to f is equal to I times f old. So it just increments itself by 1 every single time, and then multiplies itself by the rest of the stuff that was multiplied before, and then returns f. Factorial of, let's say, 5. That's not right. Oh, I messed this up. If I is greater than 1, we were incrementing I. The first time we want f old to be 1, the second time we want f old to be f. Factorial 5, 120. There we go.